Can you say, uh-oh?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Did you drop your cow? Say, uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Can you say, ball?
Ba.
Can you say, balloon?
Ba, ba.
Can you say, happy?
Ba, ba.
What other words do you know?
Bucket,
You know Beckett. Your brother?
Ba, ba.
Brother. Sit down.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Why are you whining? No, don't do that. Say ouch. Say ouch. Say ouch.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Where's your brother? Beckett. What's your name? What's your name? No, that's your brother's name. Can you say Mickey? There you go. Are you sad?
Yeah.
Are you sad?
Yeah.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.